Welcome to another Renegade Tech Tip. Before we get started with today's tutorial, or our tech tip for the day, I would like to invite you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can stay current whenever I post new content that may be useful to you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to talk about Chrome Remote Desktop and how Bristol School uses that to how our techs use that to provide support to staff and students. The Google Chrome Remote Desktop can be found up here, right next to your icon. And you can see that right there. And when you click that, you will see a couple of options. The one that we are interested in is the remote support. If you are the person looking to get support, you will want to click Generate Code. And generally speaking, the tech that is assisting you will ask you to do this. They'll kind of walk you through this process, and they'll ask you for this code right here. Now, this code is only good for 5 minutes, but if the tech on the other end enters this code within that 5-minute window, they will have access to your computer until you sever that connection. So at this point, I would provide the tech with this number, and the tech would enter that number in a screen that's provided for them, and then they would be able to drive your Chromebook in an effort to resolve the technical issue that you're having. At the end of that session, you can revoke the tech's ability to drive your computer and continue on. So that is how you get remote desktop or remote support. And it's a very useful tool for our tech department. So having our students and our staff know how to navigate to that is, it's a big bonus. So now, if you're a student on a Chromebook that's issued to you by Bristol School, this will already be there. This Chrome Remote Desktop should already be visible. However, if in the event that it is not, you can try to locate it in the extensions here, the little puzzle piece, and then scroll down until you find it on your list of extensions. And then you can pin it using the little push pin there. You click it and then it will pin it to your ULR bar right up here. In some cases, if you're using a home device that you purchased and you own, you may have to install this Chrome Remote Desktop. And in that case, you would just want to Google Web Store. And we can go to the Chrome Web Store, and you would search Chrome Remote Desktop. And you would add this extension to your browser there. And at that point, you would be prompted to do an installation of the application to your device, to your Mac or your PC. So you would come in here. If you went to remote support, this little blue button here would say install instead of, or say download instead of generate code. And then you would do that and just follow the on-screen prompts. So at that point, once that is done, you are ready to receive remote support from our tech support personnel. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And just a reminder, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. And as we release, or as I release new content, you will be notified. So as there are things that come up, helpful tips and tricks, you'll know right away. So thank you for watching.